Hey to Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a box and the question is, what's in this box? Well, we'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. So, without much further ado, let's take a look at what's in this box. And oh my goodness, we have some shinies here. Do you know what these shinies are? Let's take this one out and take a quick look at it. And this is a Lincoln penny error, offset error. Now, unfortunately, my Lincoln penny doesn't have a date, and coins, errors like this with dates are more valuable, but I thought this was worth keeping, so I kept this one, and of course flipped like an American coin, but it is in pretty good shape. It is a brilliant red and fairly high grade. How cool is that? So, that's our first coin. Our second coin is another off-center coin, again that's dateless, and this is the dateless nickel. A Jefferson nickel. And let's flip it over. And let me check to see if it won't be full steps because it's off-center, but let me see if the steps have any breaks. Those steps look pretty clean, so this is a pretty high grade as well. How cool is that? Now, the next one is not an off-center. This one is it is a slightly off-center, but it's also a broad stripe. And this is a 2005 P dime. And I will probably have pictures of these because the pictures will probably show up much better than than me holding it up like this. And as you can see, I collect fairly high quality error coins, even if they didn't have dates, but this one does have a date. And over here we have a Georgia peach, and it is a 1999 P, and this is off-center, an off-center quarter, just slightly off-center. And the Georgia peach. Now, I haven't really found any attractive Canadian errors, but these American errors seem to be easier to pick up. And our last one is also a quarter, and this is a 1981 P, and it is a broad stripe. And charging like a bull, watch me run up the stock. We pop like the Crisco, got rich off the crypto. I'm winning again, you can like it or not. My girl want an asset and yours want a Birkin. I went to sleep, but my money still working. My wealth generational, nothing sensational. Come on my mouth, but I know it's for certain. Right. That 9 to 5 paid up bills, but that 62 gave me chills. I was up late working early just to make the dream become real. Pain was the motivation, gave me something that I could feel. And it also is in pretty good shape. So that is my collection of error coins from the US. And I keep them in this box because I have so few. But I just wanted to show you these error coins. And if you have any error coins, let me know in the comments below which error coins you have. That would be so cool to hear. And I thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.